was all that bad talk about for? Where did all that bad talk come from?
Chippy.
You're not a chippy. Say sorry for saying that bad talk. Go say sorry, Mummy. Sorry, Mummy.
Right, Kilo.
Alright, Kilo. Who tells that? Who asks you? Who says that to you? Everyone? When they come in? They all say, alright, Kilo. So you're talking to me now? Are you my friend again? Kilo. Are you my friend again? Hey, cutie. Are you my friend again? Don't you tell me to shush. Oh, here we go. Always heard the door open. Do you hear that front door banging? What's a bird? It's not people. Wasn't your bird telling you to shush so we can hear who's come in the door?